How to use Drizly for wine, beer, and sprites. Drizly is no longer operating as a standalone service. It was officially shut down in March 2024 by a parent company, Uber. So the service formerly worked on and onto the Uber Eats. So what you're going to do is you could use Uber Eats with the same credential as your Drizly. So now all you need is just go to the search and type in what you're actually looking for: wine, beer, and sprite, right? So type in that. So there you go. You could go to locate the store. You could start adding the item to your cart, and once you've added the item to the cart, you could then go ahead and select view cart. As soon as you do this, you then need to go ahead and adjust the cart to place an order, right? So you need to make sure to meet the criteria as well and go to checkout. Once you do that, you will be asked to go ahead and read all the terms and conditions, and you also need to be charged, or you can go to the checkout procedure. Now once you've done that at the delivery, or when the delivery is out, you will have to receive the item with your credit card, with your ID, or along with your government issued ID for the verification. So the one who has actually ordered the item has to be the one to receive it as well. So basically that is how you could use Drizly for wine, beer, and sprites. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.